setting up email templates for FlipTracker. Out of your home page, you find the admin section. Then you find the setup basic parameters tab. Then you go to the email template to listing agent. And here's all your templates. They're not in alphabetical order. They are in the order they were built. You go to the bottom of the page to add new. There's two different structures for emails and text. So the first one is an email. This is the email template test. Keep in mind that this is your basic HTML templates. So you come in and put the information here. The best thing to do is utilize existing templates. So the way I do it, I create the name of the template, save it. Here is now your template. And what you want to do is go ahead and copy a template that's already been set up correctly. So in this case, let's grab this one here. And what you want to do is go to the HTML and copy the HTML template. Cancel and close. And now go to your email template here. Create, go to the HTML tab, paste it, update, save. And now you have the exact same template, and it is a lot easier to modify it here. So you can change the information. The tokens are very, very important to understand what they are. This is information that's being drawn from the offer term section or the IDX. So in this case, the letter is going to have hi, listing agent first name, the property address if you choose to use it. In some cases we have it, this template doesn't. But then this is the offer terms, and the template's automatically loading the purchase price, close of escrow, and all that information automatically, along with the user's name, email, cell phone, and other information. So make sure that you guys paying attention to that. In this case, you got this information twice, and that's it. Save it and make those changes. For text, it's a couple little tricks that you got to be careful. Actually, let me go back here. When you are done, make sure that you come in here and you do a remove formatting, because what happens is sometimes you're going to put information here. It's going to be different font, and this formatting will clean it up so it's all the one size. With that, to remove it, you delete it here. So now the text, add new text. Keep in mind that the name of the text doesn't come across, where on the email templates the name does come across as the heading. So be careful on the emails. The text, it's basic. Obviously, this is a little bit shorter, so I'll show you a sample. So I'm going to save this. Let's look at the text. There you go. Okay, so these are all text. So make sure that you always put text dash no response. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and copy this information. And keep in mind that the system's sending this as an SMS. So it's important that it's cleaned up. So if I paste this here, it looks normal. So it's got hi, listing agent regarding the property, street and number, and all that fun stuff. When you save it, what happens is when you go to text, what happens is the HTML changes it and it creates different items. So in this case, it's actually pretty clean. But if there were spaces and other things, some of the characters would show in the text. So you want to make sure that you actually paste this exact information for the text in HTML and not in the template. Otherwise, you will have some errors on the text. Make sure you test everything before you send it. And that's the save. And as simple as that.